The founder and chairman governing council of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has congratulated Professor Mohammad Magaji on his appointment as the pioneer rector of the newly created Federal Polytechnic Kabo in Kano State. Before his new appointment by President Muhammad Buhari, Professor Magaji held many positions including Kano State Director, National Open University of Nigeria (NAUN), Dean Postgraduate School MAAUN Maradi, and later acting president of MAAUN Kano. He was also appointed as the Secretary General of the Association of African Private Universities AAPU by its president, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo. The congratulatory message was contained in a statement personally signed by Professor Gwarzo and made available to newsmen in Kano on Monday. While wishing the new rector a successful tenure, Professor Gwarzo also prayed to Almighty God to guide and give the new appointee the wisdom to stir the leadership of the new institution. He described the appointment of Professor Magaji as the new rector of the Federal Polytechnic Kabo as a well-deserved appointment, considering his wealth of experience in the academia. On behalf of the management of MAAUN Kano and Niger, I wish to facilitate with you on the new appointment, and may Almighty Allah help you to succeed, Professor Gwarzo added. Professor Gwarzo, who acknowledged Professor Magaji contributions towards the successful takeoff of MAAUN Kano, expressed optimism that the new rector will bring his intellectual capacity to bear in his new assignment. So we want you to extend all your intellectual capacity and wealth of experience to bear in the new appointment, Professor Gwarzo said.